Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a man named Kareem. Kareem was poor and often made bad choices. One night, he decided to steal from a rich merchant's house. Quietly, Kareem entered the house and found a bag full of gold coins. He picked it up and was about to leave when he noticed an old woman sleeping in a nearby room. She looked weak and sick. Kareem heard the merchant talking to a doctor earlier that day. The gold coins were meant to buy medicine for the old woman. Suddenly, Kareem felt guilty. He realized that stealing the money would hurt an innocent person instead of taking the gold. Kareem left the bag exactly where he found it. Before leaving, he wrote a note. I came here to steal, but I learned that this money is needed to help someone. I am sorry for my bad intentions. The next morning, the merchant found the note. He was surprised by the thief's honesty. He decided to find Kareem and talk to him. When the merchant met Kareem, he learned about his poverty and struggles. Instead of punishing him, the merchant offered him a job in his shop. Kareem worked hard and honestly. Over time, he earned the trust of everyone in the village. He never stole again and became known as one of the most honest LP men in the town. Kareem was grateful for the merchant's kindness. Every day, he worked hard in the shop. He woke up early, cleaned the store, ranged the goods, and helped customers. With a smile, months passed, and the merchant trusted Kareem more and more. One day, he asked Kareem to deliver a box of silver coins to a nearby village. As Kareem traveled through a forest, he found a leather purse lying on the road. When he opened it, he saw that it was full of gold coins. No one was around. For a moment, Kareem remembered his old life. The gold could buy him a large house and many comforts, but he quickly pushed those thoughts away. Instead of keeping the purse, Kareem asked people in nearby villages if anyone had lost it. After many hours of searching, he found an elderly traveler who was desperately looking for his missing purse. The traveler was overjoyed when Kareem returned it. Thank you, said the old man. This money is my life's savings. You have saved me from great trouble. The traveler offered Kareem a reward, but Kareem politely refused. I did only what was right, he replied. The story of Kareem's honesty spread throughout the region. People who once feared him now respected him. They saw that he had truly changed. One evening, the merchant said, Kareem, Wealth can be lost and found again, but a good reputation is priceless. You have earned one. Through your honesty, Kareem smiled. For the first time in his life, he felt proud of himself, not because of money, but because he had become a good man. Years passed, and Kareem became one of the most trusted people in the village. The merchant grew old and could no longer manage the shop alone. One day, the merchant called Kareem and said, "You have served me faithfully for many years. I want you to become my business partner." Kareem was amazed. He had once been a thief, and now he was being trusted with an entire business. Together, they expanded the shop and helped many poor families. Kareem never forgot the difficult days of his past. Whenever someone was hungry, he would quietly provide food. Whenever a child needed school supplies, he would help without expecting anything in return. One rainy evening, a young boy was caught stealing bread from the shop. The villagers were angry and wanted to punish him, but Kareem recognized the fear in the boy's eyes. It was the same fear he had felt years ago. Kareem gently asked, "Why did you steal the bread?" The boy lowered his head and replied, "My mother is sick and we have no food at home." Instead of punishing him, Kareem gave the boy bread and some money for medicine. Then he said, "Stealing is not the answer. If you need help, ask for it. Honest work will bring you respect." The boy promised to change. Years later, that same boy grew into a hardworking young man. He often told people, "A kind man saved me from a life of crime." Kareem realized that the merchant's kindness had changed his life, and now his kindness was changing the lives of others. As he looked around the village, he saw happy families, successful businesses, and children going to school. He knew that one good decision had started it all, the decision to choose honesty over theft.